Alrighty, so I've actually never tried, although I have dual monitors since ever, a dual monitor setup until now, and I am running an RTX 2060 on my computer, and it's actually not a big deal at all, but the only thing I have to say, and that's maybe not the best setup, this one, that's a 4K monitor, and that's just a HD monitor, so I run both of these screens actually just in HD, but I have to say it's actually pretty cool, and I'm not bothered about this one here, and I could actually slide that a little bit more tight together, but I actually have to say that's way better than I have expected, and it looks pretty cool, and it's pretty easy actually to do that setup. There is just one thing you need to know, and that is let me just end that real quick. And alrighty, okay, so what you actually need to do with so you have to go in display settings like here, and then no, wait, that's wrong. You have to go in the GeForce application, sorry for that, and yeah, you know what, that's actually, there it is. Alrighty, so you have to go in the NVIDIA Control Panel, and then what you want to do, you have to go in here, set up multiple displays. And when you have the multiple displays, you have to actually set it as surround display. And what you see, it creates just one gigantic screen. And once you have that, and you have to enable that with your NVIDIA graphics card, here you can actually adjust the surround spanning options, or however that is called. And once you've done that, you can actually run a lot of games in that, well, how do you want to call it, like surround or cinematic mode. And so with my graphics card, it's actually not a big deal. The only thing I did not test yet, because for a reason I don't know, my Forza Horizon 5 is still updating, and also Forza Motorsport. And once I've updated that and I have it installed, I hope that I can actually play Forza Motorsport on these two displays. If that's going to happen, and if it works, I'm gonna post another video.